Uh-oh. Oh. Go fishing. Go fishing. Go fishing. Go fishing. Go fishing. Oh, let's do this. There we go. Alright guys, what the buck is up? Hope you're having a bucking outrageous day. So today I'm actually not going fishing. I'm going to actually make a year-end review of like my entire fishing, my top 5 fish caught. These fish meant the most to me, and that's how I chose these fish. It wasn't always like the biggest fish or anything like that, but there was a reasoning why to these fish. So check out my list. Maybe you guys might have something a little different on the list, and maybe something meant a little different for you guys, and we'll see. Anyways, leave it in a comment below, and let's check out the fish. You guys gonna help me? Yeah, you guys have to help me.
Yeah, I'll help you. Hold on. Let me reel in my line so it doesn't get tangled. Grab it with the
get the lines out. Grab it with the gloves. Or
grab it with this.
Yeah.
Grab in the mouth.
Holy cow.
Play it out. That's what probably broke that your shit.
Yeah.
Muskie.
Holy cow. Holy cow. There it is. Holy cow, guys, watch this. Watch this come out. Watch this come out.
Boom,
grab that. Grab that. Grab it. Grab it. Oh, pull it in. Pull it in. Woo! Oh my god. Oh. Guys, did you just see this?
This is it.
Oh my god.
This is it, guys.
Holy cow.
Can I take my hook out of there?
Oh, let me get this out of here. Guys.
Can I take my hook out of there, sir? Bring it back so I don't want to break.
Yeah.
Break the right here.
I want it.
What, you're keeping it?
Yeah, I want it. I want it.
They put it out on the ice. I'm underneath the
Oh. Throw it out there on the ice.
It's still stuck in the thing. Is that pike or muskie?
That's a pike. Oh.
Look at his face like, hey, what up?
Oh, guys.
Awesome,
Check this out.
That's awesome.
Oh. Take this camera, bro. Hold on a second. Here. Crazy. I can't believe I caught that through the ice. Check this out, guys. I just caught that bad boy through the ice, man. What a lucky day. Holy cow. You guys seeing that? It's about a 30 something inch pike, northern pike there. Dang, there's so many of them. I think we might get a limit. Oh. Oh. Oh! Did you see that? The fish just jumped through the hole! Holy cow! That's crazy! That was crazy! I got that on tape, bro! Did you see that? There's so many fish that they're jumping through the hole. It's a freaking rainbow! Yeah, it's white. It's dark. Oh, sorry, I'm in jail! I got that on footage! I'm so sorry!
That's not good.
No, I just clocked Ivan in the head with the freaking net! I'm sorry!
Oh, I hit a clock! I don't think that's a rainbow.
No?
Looks like it though, yeah?
Yeah! Look at it! Oh!
Yeah, this fish needs to.
Yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! That's the second fish. Oh man, this is a big fish. Oh my god!
Oh wow!
Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Here she comes.
You gotta back up a little bit.
Yeah! Yeah! That's a big one! That's a big one! Holy smokes!
Give me some drag, let them drag.
Yeah, for sure. Oh my god! Oh! Oh,
Good?
I don't even know how to act right now.
He's really confident.
That's the biggest.
That's a big one.
Yeah.
Good job, bud.
Thank you.
You almost got a nose like a salmon.
Oh man.
Oh, wow.
I'm gonna hold that bad boy.
You getting that? Oh, that's fun.
Oh yeah?
Still got a lot of fighting in there, man.
Oh yeah. Like we just ran over the spot, it's just like crazy. You alright, Mark?
Yeah, my leg's gonna be sore tomorrow. Relax.
It's alright. It's alright. There you go, Adam. Thank you so much. Oh my god, it's got so much weight.
Wow.
Holy god! I almost knocked it out. Sorry, Troy. Oh, guys, look at this. That is a rainbow trout. Sorry about the drop there. Got Troy's boat dirty, but we're gonna get in the box. It's like you have to run the gauntlet of muskie. Forever. It's like being a running back in the NFL.
Yeah.
Should run the gauntlet of giant ass men.
A bunch of Ray Lewis's.
Yeah. Bunch of muskies.
Fucking murderers.
I got one! I got one! I got one! I got one! I got one!
Oh my god!
I got
It's
one!
so big! Oh my god!
Oh my god! That's a 50!
Oh my god, it's a 50!
That's a 50! That's good! Hey, get the net! Hey, get the net! Get the net!
Coming!
Go! Grab that! Oh my god! Grab that!
Holy shit!
We want it! Yes! Get it in! Get it in net! Get it in net! Yeah!
Oh!
Yeah! That's good! Yeah! Yeah!
We did it.
We won it! We won it this time! We won it! Now what? Now what? Woo! That's a 50! That's a 50! That's a 50!
Let's get her unhooked now.
Hell yeah! Alright guys, there we go. I just won the Restless Rider Challenge with this monster! Woo!
Oh, shit. Oh.
Monster 51 here. So much girth. Fatty here. Thank you guys. This is a monster fish. This is my PB for this year.
Let's get her back.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna get her back in the water as soon as I can. Woo! Let's put this in the
Just
net.
torpedo her.
Yeah?
Torpedo her.
Alright. Here we go guys. 51.
Good catch, brother.
Yeah! Yeah! There it is. Send those pictures. Hey, let's get our baits again for the second time. Let's get our baits. pick your tips up. Don't go sideways. When you pick your tip up, yeah, but like in front of you. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I wait for it to go to the ground.
Yeah.
Watch. Look at the tip. I'll tell you when it hit the ground. It goes like this.
Yeah.
Watch. Boom. See it?
Okay.
So I pick it straight up. Look at it.
Mine is always
Bottom.
going out the right
It's because you're not patient enough to let it hit the ground.
Oh.
You have to let it hit the ground. So look at this. Okay, pick it up.
Yeah.
Hit the ground. Pick it up. Watch this. Hit the ground. See it? See it? See it stop? Watch this.
Oh.
Hit the ground. You see that? That's how you gotta do it. If you ain't doing that, you're not gonna catch a fish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, with that one.
Yep. That's a big one.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a big one. Oh, that's a big one. Not again. Don't hit my line again. Oh my God.
Is it?
Bro.
Oh.
Aham. I don't know.
Must be a shark. A shark.
Freshwater.
Freshwater.
Drum roll, please. I love that.
Oh my God.
It's foul hooked. Come on, B. Everybody's.
I'm trying, bro.
You're not. You're not trying hard enough. I thought you're a fifth round guy. Wow, eh? That's got to be a big sheeper or a foul hook walleye. It could be a nice big walleye in the belly.
There's no head shake.
Yeah, but if it's in the belly,
Yeah.
it's like bringing in a piece of 2x4. There's your drum roll right there. He just proved himself.
There's a drum roll right
Oh yeah. When they take off like that,
there. There's a drum roll right
willing to bet a jig.
there.
Holy structure.
Oh my.
But this thing
It would be out of the water jumping by now.
This thing
if it
might
was
not
that.
fit in the net.
Watch, if it's going to go that way now, might be a ski. Watch your rod.
Let's get your rod out. No. Bro, it might be a muskie, bro.
Watch your rod. Got a fish running that way. You should get a bigger net. You gonna try and club him with it?
Yeah.
Let's at least see it.
I'm trying for it, bro.
Oh, he's good. You gotta wear him out. He's his boss. Yeah, that's gonna be a ski or a big drum.
It hit hard, so.
Very good.
This ain't gonna fit, eh?
I just want to see it.
No way.
No way.
Oh my God.
Come on. Come out.
It's probably a drum.
Oh wow. Oh. Oh, he's pushing away? Oh wow.
He's running now. Just show us who you are.
There's a line on me. I can feel it. There's a line on me. There's a line on me. Watch it. It's going that way. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, that's a freaking 50-inch muskie. Get the net. Get a bigger net.
Man, all the nuts.
Yo, please get the line. Yellow line. Get the line out of there. Get the line out of there. Stop casting. Stop casting. Stop casting. No net.
There's not a net that can fit it. Just use anyone. That's what. Maybe that's what. Bring his head over.
I want his head.
It's in his mouth.
I want his head.
I'm trying to get it, bro. Thank you, Aham. Oh, get a different net. I might have to go. Yes. Oh, I might have to get a different net. Get a different net. Get a different net. This is.
I'm by the net. I'm by the net.
It's a tiger. It's a tiger muskie.
Really?
Look at it. Thank you, Mike. Thank you, Mike.
Still not in. Still not in.
Jesus Christ.
Look out.
Jesus Christ.
Yo, the
Your net
net's
broke. The net broke, Mike. The net broke.
the handle just.
Please pull your lines out. Please pull your lines out.
Just the handle.
它这个线特别线厉害，这个线厉害。哦，这个好。Got it.
Yes. Woo!
Help me, help me, help.
Thank you. Oh, look how fat that thing is. Oh my God. Bro, look at the girth.
Cow, bro.
Look at the girth.
How many ducks does
Look at the girth. Take a girth on that. Oh my God, guys.
Kid in there.
Get out of the net.
Bro,
Hurry up and get him back.
take this shot.
Watch it. They'll bite.
He's tired now.
Watch your hand.
That's okay. Just leave it.
Yeah, I've handled these a lot. Guys, check that out. That's got to be a high 40s fish. Look at the gut on this.
Hey.
Just monstrous. All right, I'm gonna let this go. This is just amazing. All right, guys.
Wait.
Ready? Yeah. Go. Thank you. Thank you. Woo! What?
Awesome. They're breaking
You put in that tang, every stable.
Oh,
Be careful. No, not yet. I hold it.
thank you, Wilson. Oh, holy smokes! When I felt that hit, bro, that was incredible. I knew what it was. I was like, oh my God.
That's why no fish.
That's got to be the fattest muskie I've ever caught. That was crazy. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Oh man.
I checked your leader there, B.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm definitely going to. Thank you, Mike. No, I caught it in his mouth. Did you see the lip?
No, but the line.
The line. Yeah, the line was in his gill. All right, guys. That was just amazing there. That was my first muskie of the year. That was incredible. Got to be like a high 40s fish there. It was super fat. It looked like it was been feeding on these walleyes. I had to release it really quick because, you know, it's out of season. Don't want to get in trouble for that. So let them go, let them grow, all right, guys? I'll see you guys soon. Let's continue fishing. So that was my top 5 fish of this year. Like I said, they all meant something. Number 5 was the pike 3 ice. It was my first pike ever through ice. So a first goal for me. That was the first time seeing a perch actually jump through the ice, through the hole, no bait, no nothing, was an amazing one too. I've heard of the myths before, but I've never actually seen it happen. So that's why it was number 4. Number 3 was like a treasure to me. I had to thank Troy and Ivan for taking me out to Erie. That was just awesome. I got my first rainbow trout ever, and I actually got a coho on that day, and that was just an amazing feat. It was a lot of fun. I've never been trolling before, and that was just a first time for me, and that was thank you. Number 2, I had to really think it out. Number 2 and number 1 were very close, and they both meant something very much to me. Number 2 was the Restless Rider Challenge, as you guys can see. The reason why that was number 2, man,
so much girth.
it was a tough feat. My brother, okay, the story behind that lure, if you've seen it in the video, we took a Restless Rider. My brother caught a Restless Rider down at the bottom of the river, which was Sean McLaughlin's, you know, from a Stream Sport Fishing. Check him out also. And then I decided to use that lure the very next day, the one that my brother caught right from the bottom of the river, and that 51 came out and won the Restless Rider Challenge. It was something. It was a great story, and yeah. Number 1 was that giant spring muskie that I was not targeting for. I was during walleye season. I was using 8-pound braid, and I was using 8-pound fluorocarbon. Lost for words for that. The girth was just immense. And I had to say about 27, 28 inches. I can actually feel the fish on the inside of his stomach. It was actually not eggs, it was actually fish. And I was glad that I got to release it. You know, it kind of looked like a tiger, but you know what? That was a barred. But it was a huge feat because everybody was casting over my line. There was tons of people in the way. I don't know how I got that in. Thank you, Mike. That was awesome. All right, at the end right now, thank you everyone for supporting me this year. It was a huge year for me. I had to thank everybody this year for all the support and all the friendship that has came along. I met a lot of friends. I met a lot of people. I learned a lot. Just fishing throughout this year, 2019 was really big. I hit a nice milestone, which was 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, I never thought I would reach that. That was actually very quick. Thank you, everybody. I'm gonna try to bring you guys more content. Gonna try to show you the best. Let's get out there together. If you guys want to make us some collabs or anything like that, come shout out at me. Let's do this together, alright guys? Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed that.